Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to discuss the exciting and transformative changes that we can anticipate in the field of agriculture over the next few decades. The world of agriculture is on the brink of a remarkable revolution, driven by technological advancements and innovative practices. Let's delve into some evidence-backed predictions for the future of agriculture. Precision agriculture. With the integration of sensors, drones, and advanced data analytics, precision agriculture is set to become the norm. Farmers will have the ability to precisely manage their crops, using real-time data to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This leads to higher yields, reduced resource wastage, and lower environmental impact. Vertical farming. The practice of growing crops in vertically stacked layers is gaining traction. Vertical farming minimizes the need for large land areas and enables year-round production in controlled environments. This approach not only boosts productivity but also decreases the distance food needs to travel to reach consumers. Genetic editing. The development of CRISPR-Cas9 technology has opened up new possibilities for crop improvement. Scientists can now edit genes to enhance crop resilience, yield, and nutritional content. This holds the potential to address food security challenges and mitigate the effects of climate change on agriculture. Smart machinery. Automation and robotics are becoming integral to agriculture. Self-driving tractors, robotic harvesters, and AI-powered weed control systems are streamlining labor-intensive tasks and reducing the need for manual intervention. Climate-resilient crops. As climate change poses risks to traditional crops, researchers are focusing on developing varieties that can thrive in changing environmental conditions. Drought-tolerant, heat-resistant, and flood-resistant crops will become more prevalent. Digital agriculture platforms. Digital platforms that connect farmers, suppliers, and consumers are emerging. These platforms provide valuable market insights, facilitate efficient supply chains, and ensure fair pricing for both farmers and consumers. Biological pest control. As sustainable alternatives to chemical pesticides, biological control methods are gaining ground. Beneficial insects and microbes are being used to manage pests, reducing the environmental impact of conventional pest control practices. Blockchain in food traceability. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the origin and quality of their food. Blockchain technology offers a transparent and tamper-proof way to track the journey of food from farm to table, ensuring food safety and authenticity. Renewable energy integration. Agriculture will integrate more renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, to power operations. This move towards sustainable energy aligns with global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Urban agriculture. As urbanization continues, urban agriculture will play a vital role in supplying fresh produce to city dwellers. Rooftop gardens, community plots, and hydroponic systems will bring agriculture closer to urban populations. Data-driven decision-making. The influx of data from various sources, including satellites, sensors, and drones, will empower farmers with actionable insights. Machine learning algorithms will analyze this data to provide real-time recommendations for optimizing planting, harvesting, and resource allocation. Cultured meat and lab-grown produce. As technology advances, the production of cultured meat and lab-grown produce is expected to increase. This innovative approach to food production has the potential to address ethical concerns, reduce the environmental impact of traditional livestock farming, and ensure a more sustainable food supply. Nutrition-focused agriculture. With a growing emphasis on health and wellness, agriculture will shift towards producing crops with enhanced nutritional profiles. Biofortification, which involves increasing the nutrient content of crops, will play a crucial role in combating malnutrition and micronutrient deficiencies. Waste reduction and circular economy. The agricultural sector will adopt circular economy principles, minimizing waste and utilizing byproducts. Agricultural waste can be repurposed for energy generation, organic fertilizer production, and even as a source of biomaterials. Collaborative farming platforms. Digital platforms will facilitate collaborative farming, allowing multiple farmers to share resources, equipment, and expertise. This not only optimizes resource utilization but also supports small-scale farmers who might not have access to the latest technologies individually. AI-enabled crop disease detection. Artificial intelligence will be used to detect and diagnose crop diseases early through image recognition and data analysis. This timely intervention can prevent the rapid spread of diseases, minimizing crop losses. Hydroponics and aeroponics. Soilless farming methods such as hydroponics and aeroponics will gain prominence. These systems allow crops to be grown with significantly less water and space compared to traditional soil-based methods. Blockchain for farmers' rights. Blockchain technology will be used to ensure fair compensation for farmers and protect their rights. Smart contracts can automate payments and ensure that farmers receive a fair share of the value chain. Agriculture on Mars and beyond. With the increasing interest in space exploration, the concept of agriculture on other planets is not far-fetched. Researchers are studying how crops can be grown in controlled environments on Mars and lunar bases, potentially paving the way for future colonization efforts. Regenerative agriculture. The focus will shift towards regenerative practices that restore soil health, enhance biodiversity, and sequester carbon. Cover cropping, rotational grazing, and agroforestry are among the techniques that contribute to more resilient and sustainable farming systems. Biotechnology for crop resilience. Biotechnological advancements will lead to the development of crops that can withstand extreme conditions such as saline soils, extreme temperatures, and water scarcity. This will play a crucial role in ensuring food security in regions prone to climate-related challenges. Ecosystem-based farming. Agriculture will increasingly draw inspiration from natural ecosystems. Practices like agroecology mimic the diversity and dynamics of nature, promoting pest control, soil fertility, and overall ecosystem health without relying heavily on synthetic inputs. E-commerce for farmers. Digital platforms and e-commerce will allow farmers to connect directly with consumers, bypassing traditional middlemen. This not only offers farmers better financial returns but also provides consumers with fresher and more traceable produce. Agricultural bioplastics. The demand for sustainable packaging solutions is driving the research and development of bioplastics made from agricultural waste. These biodegradable materials have the potential to replace traditional petroleum-based plastics. AI-powered crop breeding. Artificial intelligence will revolutionize crop breeding by simulating millions of genetic combinations to predict plant traits. This accelerates the development of new crop varieties that are better adapted to changing environmental conditions. Nutrient recovery technologies. Technologies that capture and recycle nutrients from agricultural runoff and waste will become essential for reducing nutrient pollution in water bodies. This contributes to cleaner water systems and healthier ecosystems. Insect farming. Insects as a protein source will gain traction, not only for animal feed but also for human consumption. Insect farming has a lower environmental footprint compared to traditional livestock and could offer a sustainable solution to protein demand. Farm management software. Advanced farm management software will become integral to modern agriculture. These platforms will integrate data from various sources, providing farmers with comprehensive insights for better decision-making. Youth involvement in education. Encouraging younger generations to enter agriculture and providing them with education on modern techniques will ensure the continuity of sustainable farming practices. Global collaboration for food security. As the world's population grows, global collaboration will be crucial for ensuring food security. Sharing knowledge, technology, and resources will help address disparities in food production and distribution. In conclusion, the future of agriculture is dynamic, innovative, and promising. The evidence-backed trends we've discussed showcase a sector that is adapting to the challenges of our time, from climate change to resource limitations. By embracing technology, sustainability, and collaboration, we have the potential to revolutionize how we produce, distribute, and consume food on a global scale. Let's look forward to a future where agriculture is not only productive but also regenerative, equitable, and in harmony with the natural world. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.